Alright guys, new YouTube video on the Chevy Silverado 4x4. Today we're gonna do a drop kit on it. What's the drop kit?
Shut the fuck up.
Just kidding, we're doing a leveling kit.
510 drop.
510 drop? Say less. No, on the real though, we're doing a leveling kit from Rough Country. And in my honest opinion, I don't trust this.
But guess what?
It's plastic. What? What's the guess what?
The owner wanted it.
The owner wanted it, yes, my brother.
The owner does not know Bob. You see this truck in the streets? That nigga fuck off.
Personally, I don't trust it because it's all plastic. Even these hoes.
What else I don't trust Daniel's truck?
All right, buddy. But it is Rough Country. So we're gonna level it. I think it's a 2.5 lift or a level or whatever. So we're getting started. My brother should be on the way so we can get his opinion on it. So let's get to it.
Here, fucking eat.
All right, update. Rotor's off. I take off the tie rod a little bit. What else did you do?
What?
Brake caliper. What else did you do?
Caliper, rotor, tie rod, and then I loosen the axle.
Loosen the axle. Okay, what's next? What's next?
Sway bar link. Sway bar link, and then I have to undo the control arm.
Bet. Those factory shocks?
Yeah, they're ranchos. Ford has that too.
Oh, word.
You want to see if it even works?
Sheesh. I didn't even know that. Has gonna be like base model black. Alright guys, we're already like maybe 10-20 minutes in and lunch break. Let's get it. Johnny, what are you gonna eat? Nothing. You gonna starve?
Yeah.
What are you eating, Axel?
Some tamales.
Oh, nice. Lunch break. The owner's on the way, so we'll wait for him.
He's bringing more food.
We ain't fucking waiting for him.
Alright, we'll get to you when there's an update. Update on the vlog. The strut is out. Sheesh. You're eating trolleys. The owner's finally here. Give us your opinion on the kit, the truck, everything.
Well, I can't give an opinion on the kit yet because I don't know how it feels.
Okay, but what were your first impressions of it when you got it, when you opened the box?
Cheap as fuck. See, we're gonna see.
Alright, we'll get back to you with another update. Safety first, guys. We're all the way back here.
So which ones are actually going on?
Those circle ones over there.
Just that?
Yeah.
It's not 2.5 though. Oh, B delete.
There it is. The little spacer thing for the strut. It's set. And then we got to put this joint on over here. Where'd it go? Let me get one of them hoses. All right, guys, we got to put this joint on next. It goes under the strut. So put it in the back. All right. Alrighty, guys. Here we are. We got this joint on. With that, all with the kit. Time to put everything back together. Sheesh. What do you think so far?
Shit, hopefully it makes a difference.
Johnny, what'd you say earlier?
Before.
Damn. Here we on the other side. Yeah. Getting all tightened up. We had to go to the store, parts run, to get new sway bar links. Because these joints were clapped. Both sides, so we got new ones. Yeah. Almost done with the front. We're gonna see how it looks, put it down. See how it looks just the front. Then we're gonna do the back. But my brother doesn't know yet if he wants to do the back because he wants a little baby lean. I told him that's gay. But we'll see. Yes, sir. We got the owner putting on the wheels. He's working. Oh, yeah. Pretty much finish up the front. We're gonna see how it looks. See what the difference is, and then If he's satisfied, we probably won't do the back, but if he's not satisfied, we'll do the back. All right, here we go. I already see the difference. Damn. All right, go to the other side. Sheesh. I don't know. Does it look leveled? We didn't even do the back. Oh, I can kind of see the lean.
Forward or backwards?
Backwards. Alrighty guys, here it is, finished product. He decided not to go with these joints because it's leveled all the way. 38 and 38, we did tape measure. All equal. This is how it's sitting. Leveled. Not bad. What do you think, Christian? You're the owner. How satisfied do you feel?
Yeah. For $100 and a gift, it's better.
Not bad. All right, we're gonna go test drive, right? All right, we're gonna go do that right now.
Chevrolet 4x4, como te han visto llegar. A veces al sinaloense y otras veces al parral. Es un vato muy pesado.
Oh yeah, here we are testing the off-road capabilities. We made it through the heaviest terrain of them all. There's really not much. Even the boy Axel made it over there. We're like that. Will I take my truck down here? Probably not. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk my truck. Johnny, would you?
What?
Would you come down here with your truck? Sheesh. I know. It's a good spot, but I'm not risking my truck down here. Huh? Play the sound system. The sound system. Isn't it echoing here? You gotta put in the bangers.